So today I found this talking salty on one of my boxes, and I want to do something like I want to put a light right over here, but first listen to this. So we have a noisy motor right here. So we gotta do is disassemble the entire model. And for those new to the channel, if you have a noisy model, that means there is a gear on the electric motor that is broken, or it does have a gap between the tooths, and that's causing the problem. So let's remove the gearbox here, and now let's take a closer listen again. Yeah, it's really noisy. So first let's remove this circuit board and just slide it, and let's remove the screws. There are 3 screws on this gearbox, and once we open the gearbox, there is one gear on the electric motor. If this gear comes off easily, that's the problem. Let's see, that was too easy. So I have here some gears, like a 900 or some gears, and I'm gonna put a new gear to our electric motor. Now you gotta be careful, don't hurt yourself. If you are replacing one of these gears, use your finger just a little bit, and then let's say I'm gonna use here this gearbox part to help me push in the gear. Just like that. I think that's good enough. Okay, let's put it back to the where it was, and I want to add a little bit of grease. That's too much, but anyways, as soon as this gear starts spinning, the grease will what's the right word? I forgot. Spread all over the gears. Okay, don't forget to make sure these wires are not pinned, or you're gonna cut the wires. So let's see, where's the screw? Right here. Okay, let me put the screws back, and then we can find out if we fixed the noise or no. Slide again the circuit board, and let's do a little test.
Matey, I'm salty.
See what a big difference is. Quite noise. I mean, it's really quiet. Oh man, it's hard for me to speak in English. Anyways, so now I want to find a way to put the light right over here, and we slide the face down like this, and I want to put the light right in the center. So I'm going to make a little bit of noise here. Good. I gotta use a wider or bigger drill bit. The other one was too small. There you go. Excellent. Now I have here the small 3mm LED lights. Let's see if that fits in place. Yes. Wait, hold on. Right here, right there. Right there. See? It fits perfectly. I gotta remove a little bit of remaining. I should do it. And I gotta cut this part. It doesn't let me put the LED light in. So with this metal scissor, I gotta cut this plastic. Don't be scared or think I'm damaging salty, poor salty, I know, but it's for a good cause. We gotta make it work. It's all about the shot, it's all about the video. So anyways, let me see if we can get this piece out like that. Right, come on, right there. I think looks pretty much good. And this, where is the face? Right here. Let's do a little test. And looks nice. No marks. Okay.
Ahoy, matey.
Now I gotta identify the polarity. So right there. Yes, right there. So the positive is on the exterior side and the negative on the inside on this connector right here. And how we identify that, it's on the LED light. The long leg is the positive and short leg is negative. Now I want to use a small wire. Let's see, not perfect but small, yeah, like that, pretty much like that. Let's cut right here. Now with my stripping wire tool, we remove the plastic. There you go. Now remember, the positive is the long leg and the negative is the short leg on the LED light. So the positive, according to the color designed on the universal color for the electronics, the red is positive, the black is negative. There you go. Now, as you remember, the positive is on the outside connector right here. Let's solder it. Cool down. Good. Same to the other side. Let it cool down just 3 seconds. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. Now let's do a little test.
Ahoy, matey. I'm salty. Haha.
And there it is, our light. It's working. Excellent. I had to resolder again because I did a bad job. Anyways. Okay, now we are pretty close to get this job done. We just got to reassemble again everything. And don't forget, how can we do this? Gotta find a way to make it work. Don't forget the bottom, the button. And now let's put the light in. We do not need any glue because this post where the screw goes in, it will help us to hold the light in place right there. Now just slide it, the face, there you go. Cool, perfect fit. And the rest is history. We just put the screws in and we are done. So I hope you guys find this video instructional, or the tutorial how it works. And let's do a little test.
Ahoy, matey. I'm salty. Haha.
Amazing. Let's put it on the track. That looks awesome. So what do you guys think? You give a little bit of life to these models. Excellent, excellent. I love it. Oh, my crappy cameras don't pick up the right low light video. But anyways, there you go. That's a little bit much better. So I hope you guys like it again. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Activate the bell and give it a like if you want to. So anyways, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Over and out.
I'm salty. Haha.